Alright, so if you're using AI tools like Dola AI to create scripts, voiceovers, or videos, but you want more control in editing, yeah, you can combine it with free video editors. This is how most creators build fast, professional social media content in 2026. First, use Dola AI to create your base content, like scripts, voiceovers, or video clips. Now export files like audio, video, or images from the AI tool. Next, open a free video editor like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. These tools help turn raw AI content into polished videos. Drag and drop your AI-generated clips into the timeline and arrange them in order. Now import your AI voiceover and sync it with visuals. Add captions using auto tools or manual text for better engagement. Next, enhance your video with transitions, effects, and filters. Add background music or sound effects, but keep it balanced with your voice. Once everything is ready, export your video in HD. So yeah, that's how to integrate Dola AI with free video editors in 2026. AI creates the content, and editors turn it into professional social media videos.